Merry meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video for the month of January, the fresh start of the year. We have a new Witch's Bounty box and I'm so excited to open it with you guys. Be sure to check out the Witch's Moon. I'll have them linked down below. They're just an amazing company, guys, and I'm just so excited to open this. I fought with like the UPS people, or not UPS people. It was so hard to get my box at the post office, guys. Like, where I live, it's in the mountains and it's just like they're really slow, so it was so hard to get this, but I'm so happy I was able to get the box and I cannot wait to open it. So let's see what the theme for this month is. It looks like the theme is guided by Freya. As we step into a time of growth and transformation, we rely on our knowledge and skills of magical practices to bolster our potential and impact. It is within this confidence that we draw our strength and understanding from. We can truly find beauty, resonance, and power in all things. It is during the coming months where we find strong and resilient energies to connect with so that we may take full advantage of growing energies and turning wheels that surround us. One of the many goddess energies that we work with and call upon is Freya. This very special and one-of-a-kind collection, we work to understand the true power of kindness, love, and divination that Freya is so well known for. The magical items in this box are as follows. Always do when I pray, say to God and all the ascended masters, so it's neat to learn about different ones. So it says Freya. Freya is one of the permanent goddesses in Norse mythology. Freya is famous for her fondness of sex, love, beauty, and fine material possessions. Okay, as the leader of the Valkyries, she serves as a guide to the souls of the battlefield slain. Oh, that's cool. So, goddess with the Valkyrie energy too. I'm just so excited. Look, guys, they always package it so good, so nothing's gonna be breaking on us. So, let's see what the pendant is. I am so excited. I'm sorry I'm not sitting down or have a table near me, so I'm gonna put that on the cart. And let's see what the pendant is, guys. This is so beautiful. What? This almost reminds me of Medusa in a way. And this is the goddess Freya. It's a carved bone and garnet pendant. OMG, guys. I will be having close-ups for you. I will be having close-ups for you guys because this pendant is so beautiful and it's a little bit dark, so you're not going to see it. But let's read more about this pendant. It says it's a carved bone and garnet Freya pendant in 925 sterling silver. Freya, or Freya, meaning lady in Norse mythology, is one of the permanent goddesses in Norse mythology. Freya is known for her association with love, sex, war, blessings, and a very special form of divination and magical working. Freya is considered to be one of the gentler and kinder goddesses, as she worked to persuade and conquer through love and passionate means, and has been treated as the Scandinavian counterpart to the Roman goddess Venus or Aphrodite. Oh, that's cool. I know a little bit about Aphrodite. Owner of the Bergisman necklace made of amber and fire, Freya corresponds with the gleaming Tauric or sunny Tauric. In addition to riding a chariot pulled by two cats, Freya possesses the adored cloak of falcon feathers, allowing the wearer to fly, and often borrowed by other gods during times of distress. Freya is the archetype of the Valoa, known as the professional practitioner of Sidor. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm butchering so much stuff in this unboxing. This very unique and special form of archetype of Valoa, known as Norse magic and shamanism, worked with discerning the course of fate. So she's definitely a neat goddess, guys. There's more information about her. I'm pronouncing stuff wrong, guys, but it's neat. So she's the goddess in Norse mythology, and she's closely related to goddess Aphrodite to help her, and that's super neat. I cannot wait to work with her and see what happens and write in my book of shadows. Let's see what else is in this box, guys. So it looks like there's a couple more things in here. I see this beautiful piece of, I think, garnet. I think this is a piece of garnet, guys. Ooh. It's a beautiful stone, but it may not be garnet. Let's see what the stone is. So I was right. This is a natural red garnet to accompany you on your path. We have included a piece of natural red garnet. Carry the stone with you throughout your day or place upon your altar to bring strength and stability. So how cool, we got a piece of garnet. It also looks like we got a red beeswax spell candle, and I love how quick and clean these burn, guys. They're amazing. And we have the Dorminus Resinia ritual incense. So I'm so excited to smell their incense, guys. And in some of my old videos unboxing the Witch's Moon boxes, the incense, when I sniff it, I have black marks on my nose in the video. It's so funny. Ooh, it smells good. I like it. I'm super excited to use this, and I think there is also a chain in here, like a rope chain that you can use to wear the pendant, or you can purchase a sterling silver chain separately. The Witch's Moon sells it on their website too, but I know they sell out like crazy when they stock them, so you guys definitely got to be on the lookout. And I see one last thing in this box, guys. It looks like their magical anointing oil, and everything's packaged amazing, and it's never gonna break on you. It looks like it says Rise, and ooh, this smells good. It has notes of fall lightly in it, like the earth. But when it says Rise, I can just feel that energy. Oh my god, this is so cool. They're potions sometimes, guys. And what they mean, like what the name of their potion is, and I can just like smell it and just feel the energy and their magic, like so strong and beautiful, and I cannot wait to work with this goddess. So thank you so much for watching this video, everybody. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on those post notifications down below to always be notified for future videos. Of course, check out the Witch's Moon. I will be having them linked down below. Be sure to check them out and let them know that I sent you guys. Beyond this Witch's Bounty box for the month of January, they have different neat subscription boxes, whether it be this one where you get a beautiful jewelry pendant and some magical things, or more of the ritual box, and then a box that has more herbal stuff. And then they also have a moon market where if you don't want to buy subscription things, even though I recommend it, they have neat magical themes every month and it's so divine. You also have their moon market where you can buy different things like little potions, tarot cards, magical things to help you along your journey. They just have the most divine things, and I just love them. So let them know that I sent you. Go check them out. And like always, from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx and her daughter Goddess Hecate, may you be blessed and rejuvenated in their loving embrace. Merry meet, merry part, and merry meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.